this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok profile picture on the desktop version. To do so, open your web browser and go to TikTok.com. Log into your account, and then move your cursor to the top right corner of the page where your profile icon is located. Click on the View Profile button to open your profile page. Within the Edit Profile section, locate the Profile Photo button and click on it to change the photo. Click on the current profile picture to open a file selection window where you can browse for the desired image. Navigate to the folder where your new profile picture is saved, such as your Downloads folder. Open the file and click on Open to upload it. After uploading the new photo, adjust the image by zooming in or repositioning it to the round frame. If you're happy with how it looks, click the Apply button at the bottom right corner of the window. The system will take a moment to process the change, and your new profile picture will be visible on your account, though sometimes it may need a couple page refreshes.